Black Friday is the craziest day for shopping, and if you're like me, you love to find a steal and a deal, that can kind of be a problem, but Black Friday is a pretty fun day. Anyway, today I'm going to be going over the best sneaker and streetwear deals that you can find right now. Maybe there's some stuff that you didn't think about, maybe there's some stuff that you forgot about. Well, tomorrow is the day. If you want a reminder on any of this stuff, we're going to be going through all of my favorite picks. So most brands have actually been pretty cheeky this year and started their sales like earlier this week, so a lot of them are ongoing. However, there are going to be some brands that are just starting their sales tomorrow, and then typically speaking, their Black Friday sales just extend all the way through to Monday, which is Cyber Monday. Either way, we're going to get into some of my favorite picks, and we're going to start off with the biggest and the kind of the first place to go, which is Nike and Adidas. So I got my iPad in front of me. We're going to do a little bit of shopping together to see what's out there. Important reminder, none of the brands or the products that we're going through today is sponsored. This is all just stuff that I think is relatively cool, and I wanted to let you guys know about it, so let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to get into some of my picks, and let's start with Nike, okay? Nike, what can we get over on their website? Well, Nike is currently doing a 25% off pretty much everything. There are some exclusions, some of the, I guess, more limited items. The Air Max 95 Essential Triple Black Air Max 95 looks super clean. I wanted to add this one to the list. A lot of their club fleece stuff, it starts relatively cheap, so with an extra 25% off is not too bad. Now, they do have a bunch of different colors to choose from, and then of course you have the club fleece joggers. These are also really good. I did a video with these in and I have a pair. They're just easy, they're basic, they're already $40, so chuck an extra 25% on top of that and you're getting a pretty good deal in my opinion. The tech fleece is also a really good option as well. That goes for the hoodies and of course the joggers as well. The Huarache is a great sneaker, super comfortable, great for the gym, great for just generally walking around and chilling in because they are so comfortable. And then one of my highest recommended options that you can get from Nike right now is the Waffle 1, one of my favorite Nike silhouettes from this year so far. I would definitely recommend picking up a pair of these for 25% off on top of the already pretty reasonable price at £90. It's a good deal. Final recommendation from Nike is pick yourself up some socks, man. Grab some socks. Socks hardly ever go on sale because, you know, there's not really any trends with socks. Generally speaking, it's just the same thing. Hey, they're a great gift as well if you want to, you know, give someone that you don't really want to buy an expensive gift for. A pair of socks is something everybody needs. Let's move over to Adidas because they have some really good deals on as well. In fact, they've got some better deals than Nike on at the moment. Their site is currently 50% off. This is the Oswego Pure model. They do a bunch of different colorways. The regular Oswego comes in a bunch of different colorways, and the majority of the colorways are on sale. Now, they also do a bunch of really solid clothing. This is a hoodie that I found that I do own and I really like. This is the RYV loose fit hoodie. Yeah, so I think they call it Adicolor Premium Essentials. I do have a lot of this stuff. They are just basically blank hoodies, crew necks, joggers, shorts. It's thick material, it feels quality, and if you can get it at a discount, it is phenomenal. It's pretty much identical to the Pharrell stuff, that the Pharrell Basics line that they did. The next one we're going to talk about is RepresentClothing. Now, RepresentClothing is a brand I really like. I have a lot of their stuff, including this Owners Club hoodie. Now, they are going to be doing a 70% off sale. Now, Represent is very popular, so they sell out very quickly, so you kind of want to be on the ball with this one. So the details of their Black Friday sale, it starts at midnight tonight, which is the 25th of November, and then they do different tiers of early access. Their sale is going to include the 247 stuff, the full winter 2021, and the hoodies, the sweaters, the joggers. Next one we're going to talk about is Zara. Currently, Zara is going to be doing a 40% off, which starts today at 9 o'clock. Some of the things that I get from there, which just have always done me really well. I've never been let down by their jackets, and they are great quality, really good pricing, and they look super dope when you're wearing them. So definitely, if you want something on sale, look at the jackets. The next one is cargo pants. You guys always ask me what cargo pants I'm buying. A lot of them are from Zara. Jeans are also really dope. Some t-shirts, I find that their sizing on the t-shirts is a little bit awkward, so I don't even know if I would bother with t-shirts. And then hoodies are pretty good. The next one I want to talk about is Asos. This one is a tough recommendation because I don't really like shopping on Asos. They have like a billion things. Like, no joke, they've got probably the most amount of products on their website. So trying to find stuff takes a long time, and it also gives you that feeling like there's too much choice here. Now, some of the things that I've bought from there in the past is caps. I get a lot of my caps from there because they just do straight up blank caps. They've got a bunch of different brands. It's pretty much where I get all my caps from. Jeans is also pretty good. Asos tends to be pretty good with that because they also stock a lot of Levi's. The next one is Buxton. This is not really my thing. Like, I like their stuff. It is very expensive. They do a lot of really nice blank stuff, but I've just never really bought anything from there. Like, I remember we did do a video and I had some Buxton stuff, but everything I've tried out happens to be stuff that just hasn't really fit me too well. So I know that it's a super popular brand, and if you want to get some stuff from there, they are doing a Black Friday sale. I believe it's like 30% off. Now, the next one is Stockx and Goat. We can't forget about these two places because they may just do something. So let me explain. Stockx right now has nothing, and they've got no promo about their Black Friday sale, so they may never do anything for Black Friday. Now, I can't remember what they did last year. I believe it was something like if you buy something, you get entered into some kind of draw or raffle. Who knows? Stockx may potentially do something pretty crazy like 0% buyer's fees or 0% selling fees. I don't know. I don't know what they're planning. They haven't put anything out, but it will be a good place to be on the lookout for over the next few days. Goat is another place. They are currently doing a Goat sale thing because a lot of people have been talking about it. You can win yourself some free stuff and some free sneakers and stuff like that. So Goat, Stockx, be on the lookout for their stuff. The next one is cargo pants from Blacktailor. A lot of the times when I'm wearing their cargo pants in my videos, you guys ask, where'd you get those cargo pants from? So I thought it would be a great addition to this list of different brands and stuff for Black Friday. Now, my favorite ones, or at least the cargos that I personally own and wear, is the X1, the X4, and the V2. I believe it's a 30% discount on Blacktailor, so it's worth having a look if you're into cargo pants. That is my Black Friday options, my Black Friday recommendations for you guys. Those are the brands that I'm going to be looking out for on Black Friday. I'm going to pick up some steals and deals. Now, let me know, guys, if you want to see a huge Black Friday haul. I'm thinking about it. I don't know how hard I want to go tomorrow. So if you guys let me know down in the comment section if you would like to see pretty much everything I pick up tomorrow and you want to see an unboxing video when it all comes in, let me know down there. Let me know if you're going to be grabbing anything this Black Friday. I just thought I'd put this video out, help you guys out a little bit. Hopefully this video did help. Hopefully you got some ideas. But hey, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for coming through, hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's the only thing I'm sipping on. But until then,